In this guide, I'm going to show you how to fix the EA servers are not available at this time in College Football 27. Intro. If you're getting the EA servers are not available at this time error in College Football 27, the first thing you're going to want to do is just go on another device and check the EA server status page. If the servers are down for everyone, you're just going to have to wait until EA restores them. If they are working, go ahead and fully close and reopen the game. And when you go ahead and reach the splash screen, repeatedly press R2 on PlayStation or the right trigger on Xbox before selecting start. This is going to help you get past the connection screen and also power cycle both your console and your router. So go ahead and turn off the console completely and then unplug your router for about 1 minute, reconnect it and restart everything. You can also change your DNS settings to 0.8 for the primary and 0.8 for the secondary. That's usually not required though because it'll be fixed before then. Before you leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, once again, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.